Welcome to another math session with Tutoring with Miss Martin. Today we are on Engage New York's Module 2, Lesson 5, and in this lesson we are using visual models in the distributive property to find partial products and multiplication. So when we talk about partial products, we are talking about parts of a math problem or a multiplication problem that can be put together to find the final product or answer. So this is used when we stumble upon a multiplication problem that's just a little bit far outside of our basic fact reach. So in this case, 21 times 5 is a good example of this. Now 20 times 5 we could probably do in our heads, but because it's 21 times 5, it makes it a little bit more difficult to do just as a mental strategy. So using a visual model is one way to help with this process. And in class we call this visual model a box model or an area model. And to use the area model, you must know how to label numbers in units. So 21 has groups of tens and ones. And so if I were going to break 21 into units, I would have a group of 20 and a group of 1 because I have 2 in the tens place, 2 tens is 20, and 1 in the ones place. 1 is 1. So 20 and 1 add up to 21. And we are multiplying this all by 5. So essentially what you have built now is kind of like an array. And you probably have heard of arrays back in 3rd and 4th grade math. So in an array, we simply multiply the numbers that would be used to fill in each box and add those numbers up as partial products to find our answer. In this case, 1 times 5 is 5. And 5 times 20, well, we can do 5 times 2 is 10, with one more place value holder as 100. So if we add 105 to get 105, we have multiplied 21 times 5 using a visual model known as a box model or area model.